I do that?
Alright,
Go
hold
to
on.
the tent and push square.
Hold on.
Oh, go up to the tent?
Do you already have one built?
Yeah.
No, I don't. I don't.
Oh, right here,
Over
right
here.
here. Come over here. So go up to it and hold B.
Oh yeah, circle.
And new, I'm guessing new save for you.
Well, he's just
Yeah,
playing
no, I
Xbox,
just
so it's
saved
gonna be
already.
easier for him.
It's saved?
Yeah.
What's Cappy doing?
What, mine? I bought off Brianna's.
What?
Oh,
What?
we need a receipt from you.
What about Brianna?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Cap?
Okay.
It takes a lot for your little ass.
Who the fuck is throwing logs in?
But you could build
Hey,
houses and
look at me.
shit.
Alright, we can with the flashlight.
Bitch.
Logging me fucking head.
The fuck? I'm stuck on something invisible.
How is it raining and snowing at the same time? How we gonna have a thunderstorm in the middle of winter?
Good night, Madre.
This stream up here that you see on your map, you can drink water out of it.
What's up, Beaver?
I said this river
He's a fat
stream
cocksucker.
or whatever up here. You can drink water out of it as well.
I do
Anything,
need water.
anything that comes down from the fucking mountain, you can
Mountains.
drink.
Yeah.
Yeah. You just can't obviously drink fucking ocean water.
Yeah.
It's gotta be running water, not mountain water.
Oh yeah, that's
Retard.
right. My bad. Yeah, bro, I'm just trying to help. You ain't helping. You're throwing fucking logs at him.
I was showing him that he could do it, so I was teaching him.
Yeah, and then he proceeded to carry a log for the next mile.
I didn't have a log.
Talking about
What?
me.
Oh, because he chasing me with a log?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sort of.
I don't know how to throw it, so I just carried it.
It was circle.
Circle?
Or, or
Yeah, circle.
B. Yeah, B. Yeah. Cappy, where we going?
Flashlight.
Oh, okay. I thought you were muted.
Nah. Just running and looking at the goddamn map.
Come in, guys.
Who shot Cap earlier with a crossbow?
I haven't
Shut up.
equipped that shit in a couple
You
days.
bitch.
don't even
I didn't
have a
shoot
fucking
nobody.
crossbow.
What's the big ass moose?
I think it was fucking
Kill it.
beavers.
Oh, it's another. No, that's the same one.
In the ass! Get that bitch! Damn it! I was trying to get him
Dumbass.
some more meat. Come back, bitch. All I had was my axe out.
Damn, it's
Where'd it
fast as
go?
fuck. That shit just ran past me while I was running.
Oh, shit. I literally hit it in the ass with the axe.
There's a mouse!
Where?
Cannies.
Right here! Right here!
Oh, little fucking bitch.
Get the moose!
What's up, kid?
Come here, moose!
Getting attacked by a little cannibal child.
Get the moose.
Bitch.
I had to kill the moose. Don't hit me.
Same. What the fuck?
Pussy bitch. Pussy.
Yeah, we'll follow together.
What? How did I miss? I'm about to die though.
What on Smash Bros?
Oh, the moose is about to die. Kill him.
Okay, sure.
Kill the moose.
Me, Brianna, Fala, Smith, Deskins, Sean, and Rashford have tournaments all the time. Yeah.
Let's go kill the real fucking moose. Or should I
Dude,
say
I
rat?
literally have the lowest
No,
fucking
I
health.
don't. I want to buy Swiss.
Hey, Cap, turn around. Hey,
What?
come here. Let's make a flask.
I need to make arrows.
Oh yeah, y'all have shovels.
Already have too many videos.
It's already open.
Yeah.
For
that's
y'all, it might be. For my shit, it's just like the ground.
What the fuck?
We need to
There's
dig.
snow over it.
Yeah, we can't go down there.
You can.
No, we
I don't
can't.
have a
I'm telling.
shovel.
Shut up!
Yeah, we need a fucking shovel. All right, bro. Let's fuck him. Let's go.
No, I guess you don't want a fucking 3D printer?
We can't go down it.
Come here then,
have
you
a shovel.
stupid fucking idiot. How about that? Look. Uncovered. Too easy. Okay, you fucking retards. Alright, should be uncovered now. You quit kicking snow over it.
Bro, don't say you digging shit. You're not digging nothing, bro.
Yeah, it's still covered with snow.
So if you look down at the door where the door's right here. But now that you go in.
We can't see that.
Yeah, I can't see the door either.
Well,
So
I don't know why the fuck it's all
back to
bugged out.
flashlight.
I'm following you.
Come on, beavers.
I got one more round of fucking arrows I gotta make.
It's not
Alright.
far away.
We're heading out then.
When did I kill fish?
Yo, what?
I got fish in my random inventory.
Probably found it on the ground in the cave. There's dead fish always in the cave.
Probably.
Come get me, pussy.
I can pee.
What's that beeping sound?
Means that we're close to the flashlight. See that purple exclamation mark?
Oh yeah.
Flashlight. He might be already on the ground. Yeah, he is.
Yeah. For you, he might be. He wasn't on the ground for me.
They dig
Yeah,
up
he's
his
on
dead
the
body.
ground.
Who's daddy?
No flashlight.
Alright, I'm back.
Is the flashlight on the ground?
No.
Should be by his dead body. Did you get it? Moss?
No, I didn't get a flashlight.
Should be by your axe. That.
I know that, but it's not there.
Go up to the top. Try to cut the rope again.
Oh, the axe is in here too. For them.
Oh yeah. Well, they couldn't get down there.
Yeah, I know. That's booty.
I think he was already down because he came with a. I don't know. Yeah, he's already cut down for me. Fuck. Ain't that some shit? You broke the game for us.
Not like the flashlight's worth shit anymore anyway.
It's better than my goddamn lighter.
Don't know. About the same now.
Nah, I used it earlier.
Why would you do that, Moss?
What?
Just killed Cap.
What?
Cap is dead because of you.
What did I do? What?
Watch you beat him with your axe.
I didn't
What
even
the
do
fuck?
shit. That was
Cannibal's
you,
playing
dickhead.
music now. Bro, I just got alive. He just knocked me out again. Oh my.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Yeah, I am too.
You've done enough.
You're the one that killed me. Dick munch.
I didn't kill nobody. Cap, why would you die? I'm coming.
Because I want my get back, pussy bitch. I want my get back on him. You gonna snake me while I'm getting my shit, bitch?
Watch him kill you again.
He literally about to kill me again.
We're already here, so
He literally killed me again.
we're here.
That's just cheating as fuck.
Here, here.
He literally sitting right
Yeah.
next to my back.
You want bitch? Want an ass whooping too? Pussy? What? God damn it, get me up. Fuck.
This one cheating ass camp, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm down.
I'm dead.
Come push A to get me up.
Oh, you hold A. Like a
Nobody gonna get me up?
I'm on my way.
Where's Moss at? Oh, he's right
I don't
there.
know.
He got me.
Okay.
Why do I got the goddamn shovel out?
Give me your shit, bitch.
There's one behind y'all.
Fish. Yep,
How'd you like that, pussy ass bitch?
I'm about to die.
He already dead now. Looks like they all dead now. Yeah, some bitches.
Alright, Mom, I love you. Alright. You see what she does?
Better quit walking up on me
No,
like
she
that.
did.
Every time. Can I get out? Oh, did you know that? Oh, did you know that?
Your mom misses you, man.
Yeah, damn, woman.
Get a hoodie. Pretty sweet.
Is that cannibal run up and hit you? What'd I tell you about walking up on me like that, Cap? What'd I tell you? Come here. Come here. Told you not to walk up on me like that. Come here.
What, you gonna kiss him?
I'm gonna kill him.
You guys are far away from me. Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Told you quit walking up on me like that.
Hey, bud.
Hey, bud.
So what's your first impression?
Pretty fucking fun.
Hey, bitch.
I think it's addictive.
It's not as scary as everybody was making it.
Well, you ain't
we
been in
haven't
it.
really done anything scary yet.
We're not that far. We're only 14 days in, so.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
I told you you die from like falling 2 feet.
I gotta eat something else. Lowe's fucking fucked me up, but I got him.
Eat something. I got you covered.
Just take
I got my revolver out. Maybe quicker.
Alright, I'm good.
Oh, okay.
Where you going, Cap? Where you going, dumbass?
To see if I can get my fucking flashlight. You stay back. Y'all stay back. Because I think you bugged it.
Not gonna be there, pussy. I'll just sit here in the woods so I can be called the N-word.
I already patched that. You know that.
Already got a video of
You
it.
have the
too.
vape still there? I know I have it. It's in between my legs.
Hold up. I'm
What?
about to sled down this mountain. Don't go over there with them, beavers. Better just stay over here with me, stupid ass.
Why?
Because last time I went with them, the flashlight wasn't there because I already had it.
Oh, that's booty. Well, fucking green card needs it. You
I know, but he can come over here. But y'all
Yeah.
two shouldn't.
Green card, go to Caprice.
Why'd you swipe me?
I didn't.
Yes, you did, bitch. I saw you.
No, I didn't. I
Calvin,
literally walked on this fucking rock.
liar. Compulsive liar.
Literally walked on the rock.
I was watching you.
Doesn't sound like a believable story.
I'll have Cappy to testify.
Cappy's a bitch and he likes to attack me first, so he's not valid.
Well, normally it's
Did
payback.
you just die, McCree?
Kelvin
Yeah.
walking up on us.
Yeah.
Bitch!
I'm coming.
I don't think it's just Kelvin out there.
I just beat his ass for it. Now he's running away.
Is he? I told him to
Yeah,
follow
if I say
me.
go
your
around,
ass.
don't fucking jump down. Fucking
Bitch, I saw you try to swipe me again.
liquor,
I was literally on the rock.
liquor, no
Bullshit.
fucking flashlight. See if you see
Oh,
it.
what's up, Kelvin?
Like look around on the ground. See if a flashlight pops up.
Yeah, let me see.
What are you running for, pussy?
I'm watching you.
Nah, we ain't got no fucking flashlight.
Bitch! Really? Haha, can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread
I
man.
already hit
Bitch.
you, pussy.
Nah,
I already
we
got my
ain't
lick
one,
back in.
bro. Sad. Well, fuck it.
Alright, meting up. It's a truce now.
Bitch, I didn't even get a shot off.
You shot me. What do you mean?
Bullshit, it didn't hit you.
Yes, it did.
I don't know. It's not a very believable story.
You want to die? Is that on here?
What up, Kelvin? How you doing, my boo? Damn, you're making me use all my fucking meds.
Quit walking up on me.
Bitch, we're supposed to be a team.
Didn't give you the right to walk up on me like canny.
Yeah, the exits. There we go.
Nothing but bottles and sticks and bones.
Alright, now let's go get the grappling gun.
Roadhouse?
Oh, grappling gun? Come on, I got the easiest way to get it. Follow me, sir.
Wait, what message that fucking retard put out?
Huh? I don't know. I haven't really.
Just
looked at
start
it.
formation tomorrow morning. We have.
You son of a cocksucker! Fuck, wrong button.
This is a little scummy, but
Bitch, I just saw you.
it works.
Where did you go? You cocksucker! Oh, you're up at the tree. Yeah, get that buckshot, motherfucker.
Yeah, this method is a little scummy,
Um,
but it works.
Let's see.
Oh, watch out for that motherfucker
what
with
the
headlight
fuck?
on.
Regular uniform?
0-8 in PTs with
Nah, just
level
keep following,
ones.
follow.
from my son, Rick. Every service member.
Why are we having a 0630 formation if we're going to fucking CIF at 8? What the fuck? What kind of pointless bullshit is that?
I haven't even got that message yet. Oh shit, I'm hungry. Oh, Kurt, let me fucking eat something.
Alright.
Yep. And the sled's coming out.
Dude, there's so many candies.
Yep, that's why I'm pulling the sled out. They come over here and start jumping me.
They already are. Probably.
Get up, bitch. God damn it! That's fucking bullshit. How can they just fucking hit me while I'm getting up out of the sled? What the fuck?
I have to drink something too.
Oh, I think you died.
No.
Should be right off this river coming up.
Well,
My nephew commented on my beaver house that I was shivering when I saw him.
You don't even know a good way in, you fucking piece of shit.
I'm going through the backside.
Yeah, you don't even know where that is.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. Why you're heading towards the
here.
shovel cave?
It's right here. No, no, no. We're not going to the shovel cave. We're going to the motherfucking... Well, I guess you can get the shovel out of here. No, you need the...
No, you can't. Fucking moron.
Well, this is a shovel cave. This is the backside of it.
I think so.
It is.
Get off me,
We're in the
fucking
backside of the shovel
retard.
cave.
Well, it's not.
Oh, yes it is.
a fucking baby cannibal? What the fuck?
Yep. Yep.
This
where
is the
babies
backside
are.
of it.
Wait. I might be able to get on that rock. Oh, you guys don't have the grappling hook, so you wouldn't be able to use it.
Alright, no,
Oh, yeah,
let's
we've
go to
done
the
this
backside of
one
the
before.
grappling. Shit.
What'd I tell you, you dipshit?
This is the right cave though. But I just need the grappling hook.
That's the wrong side.
Yeah. Now the grappling
He's
hook
trying to
one,
fucking eat.
I can get that one easy. I
Or
thought this was the grappling hook one, but
You can't go through the back cave for the grappling hook anyways, because you don't have the grappling hook to get to the grappling hook, you fucking moron.
remember me and Beavers figured out a way to do it?
No. Don't remember.
Yeah, we got back up top. You jump on the rocks and then you jump up and grab it.
how am I hungry already? I just ate something.
Rope gun.
See the blue circle around it? Dude, I'm already low on fucking health. Fuck
I'm not
off.
hitting you, you fucking pussy. Oh, you want to target me like that, huh? Huh? You want to target me like that some more?
Well, I guess we can just go through the full fucking cave.
I have no health.
Me beat the fuck out of you?
We'll just
You
end
keep
up
running
getting
your lip
shot.
to me.
Beavers, shoot him in his shit.
I'm like a build a torch.
It's coming after you.
I create a bow.
Why are you shooting at me, pussy? I didn't hit you.
I was respecting his wish.
Should I create
Stupid
a
bitch.
torch or a bow?
You already shot me anyway.
I didn't even shoot you.
Hold on, I'll be back. Someone just
Yes,
made
you
a bow,
did
though.
shoot me.
Be right back.
You just killed beavers.
Oh, my fault, Beavers.
Oh, I wonder what
Hold on,
happened.
bro.
He was trying to hit me and he
Dickhead.
killed you.
I think I might
Yeah, because I
be
ran out of
washing
stamina,
your
so I couldn't
fucking
move.
Flannel.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that.
What's up?
I appreciate that.
Oh, no. I think I
Fucking
just threw
pussy
my
bitch.
30 ampere shit.
That's what both you fucking maggots get for trying to kill me.
Alright, bro. I'll let you know when it's done washing.
Y'all suck.
Alright, bro.
I'll chop your head off, Cap.
Alright, should I make a bow or a torch, you fucks?
Bow? Torch is
Torch.
useless.
What do you want a
Okay.
torch for?
I don't know. I'm just fucking wondering. Yeah, guys. Fuck.
Fuck shit.
We are there. We need to go. Okay, we need to go to that one.
Why don't I spawn in with full
Come on,
fucking
Moss.
health?
because you don't actually die. The cannibals just take you to their camp. They just kidnap you.
Oh.
Yeah, they try to cook you
Oh,
I got a
alive.
bow.
That's why you spawn in with the same food and everything.
Oh, a little camp.
Can't
Yeah,
believe,
that's where I took work.
can't believe Cap killed you. Yeah, shit off. I think this is the camp that we had just raided. How did I just get stuck on the box, dude? Like I couldn't move.
I'm thirsty now too. Jesus fucking Christ, there, bud.
What?
Man, y'all fucking dipped out of my ass. Shit, man. Okay.
I mean, at least you know where we go. Sort of know where we're
We're
going.
following Crappy.
Oh god, I'm being chased. I'm being chased.
You just
Keep
outrun
running
them. You
away.
got it.
They'll give up.
You just swing at me,
Typically.
Beavers?
No, I jumped
Uh-huh.
off the fucking cliff. You would know if I swung at you.
Barely see
I
goddamn
don't
shit of
deny
this
it.
thing.
Is it that way?
No, I'll just get water.
Sounds like you
Oh.
won't get killed again.